How to fix low network signal on iPhone. If your iPhone keeps showing weak signals, here are 7 steps to try. First, turn on airplane mode. Swipe down to open the control center, enable airplane mode, wait about 10 seconds, then turn it off. This resets your iPhone's connection to the network. Second, check for a carrier settings update. Go to Settings, General, About. Stay on this screen for 10 to 15 seconds. If a pop-up appears, tap Update. Third, check your VPN. Go to Settings, General, VPN, and Device Management. Make sure VPN is not connected since it can sometimes affect your signal. Fourth, update your iOS software. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Fifth, reset your network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset network settings. Confirm with your passcode. This won't erase your data, but it will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular settings. Sixth, force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button until the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. This refreshes the software and can fix glitches. If none of these work, contact your carrier. They can check your account or refresh your connection from their end. And that's how you can troubleshoot and fix low signal issues on your iPhone.